Every year as you begin working on your annual labor rate submission, you probably grab your policies and procedures manual to get started. It's a process that may involve filling out a competitive survey, producing a certain amount of consecutive qualified repair orders, or maybe a combination of the two. But hold on. Are you aware there's another option when submitting for labor that may yield a greater increase? Many times, the answer is no. So what other options are there besides factory submissions? Well, there are 49 states that have legislation in place that allows dealers to perform a statutory labor rate submission. So what's the difference between a statutory submission versus a factory submission? With a statutory submission, a dealership can achieve warranty labor compensation at its retail rate. You are also more in control over the process and possible outcomes. Although you should be evaluating both options every year, here are 3 reasons to consider a statutory submission instead of a factory submission. 1. Dealers are better protected. Manufacturers having unilateral control over the resulting labor would be a thing of the past. State laws often give you more control of the outcome, not your manufacturer. 2. Exclude certain repairs. You can often exclude work that has a low effective labor rate, rather than a manufacturer requiring the dealer to include non-warranty-like work, such as battery replacements or wheel alignments in the submission. Again, giving you more control to achieve your true retail rate for warranty claims. 3. The resulting numbers are often higher. Although it is more work, you can often be approved for a higher rate by following the statutory protocol, which can assure you that your increase is indicative of your market rate retail pricing. Even if completing a statutory submission is more work compared to doing a factory submission, trust us when we say it typically pays for itself. In fact, with Armatus, we do all the hard work for you, so you don't even have to lift a finger. All you do is simply reap the rewards. Please reach out to us to explore performing a statutory submission. With thousands of approved submissions, unique optimization software, and a dedicated staff of automotive professionals, we have the industry knowledge and tools needed to get you the best labor rate increase possible. You're in the car business. Gross matters. Want to see how much money you're leaving on the table? Contact us today.